Now we move into more natural speaking, real conversations, and confidence building. Hello again. Welcome back.
Hi, guys. Good to see you again.
In part 1, we learned simple sentences.
Yes, like, I am a teacher. I work in a hospital.
Very good.
Now we will go a little deeper.
But don't worry, still easy, still simple.
Still friendly English.
Now let's learn how people really ask about jobs.
Yes, in real life.
You already know, what do you do?
But people also say, what do you do for work?
Let's repeat slowly.
What do you do for work?
Another question, where do you work? Repeat.
Where do you work? Now you try.
Good.
Let's listen to a real conversation. Donna, imagine you meet someone new.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I am a nurse.
Oh, nice. Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
That's great.
Simple, easy, natural.
Now repeat after us.
Nice to meet you. What do you do? I am a nurse. Where do you work? I work in a hospital. Wilbert, I have a funny mistake.
Oh, tell me.
One time I said, I am work in a hospital.
Small mistake.
Yes, small mistake, big problem.
Let's fix it. X mark. I am work in a hospital. A check mark. I work in a hospital.
Say it slowly.
I work in a hospital.
Very important.
Now, let's talk more about your job.
Yes, what do you do every day?
Donna, what do you do at work?
I help people.
Good. What else?
I talk to patients.
Nice.
I also write notes.
Very good. Let's repeat.
I help people. I talk to patients. I write notes.
Now, let's try different jobs. Teacher. I teach students.
Repeat. I teach students.
Office worker. I use a computer.
I use a computer.
Waiter. I serve food.
I serve food.
Cook. I cook food.
Of course. Wilbert, imagine this.
Okay.
I am a cook. I don't cook.
That's a problem.
Big problem.
Now, very important.
Do you like your job?
You can say, I like my job.
Or I love my job.
Or, I don't like my job.
That is honest.
I like my job. I love my job. I don't like my job.
Let's try a longer conversation.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Why?
Because I help students.
Nice answer. Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions.
What do you do?
Where do you work?
Do you like your job?
Why?
Maybe your English is not perfect.
That's okay.
Speak anyway.
Practice every day.
Small sentences are okay.
Simple English is good English.
Great job.
You are improving.
In the next part,
We will practice longer conversations and help you speak more naturally and smoothly.
before you go,
Tell us in the comments, do you like your job?
yes or no and why.
See you in part 3.
Bye-bye.